Good morning, children. So, we were reading chapter number 7, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. And I have shared you two videos of it, what is a desert and about the Saudi Arabia as well. If you have seen that video, it will help you to learn this chapter more easily. So, let's now come to this. So, all we know about the Saudi Arabia that it is a desert area. Okay, which is also known as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So this area is completely covered with the desert area. Okay, so except of this, there are so many deserts in the world. Let's have a look on them. Okay, so this gray color part in your book, they all showing you the great desert in the world. There is one desert in our India also, this is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. We have learned about this in class 4, the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. Now let's learn about the desert around the world. So first of all, we are talking about the Sahara Desert, which is located in Africa continent, and it is the largest desert in the world. You can also see that this gray area is very long. कितना बड़ा है ये gray color का area. This is the Sahara Desert. Now come to the second one, which is also located in this Africa continent. It is Kalahari Desert. So Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert. Now the second largest desert is the Arabian Desert, the Great Arabian Desert. It is located here. And Saudi Arabia is also located here. It is the part of Arabian Desert. Now there is one desert over here. This is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. What we call it? The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. आप देख सकते हो ये इंडिया के मैप पर है. Now let's come to this fourth one. This is the Great Australian Desert because it is in Australia. So Sahara, Kalahari, Arabian, Great Thar, and the Australian Desert. Now let's go to the American continent. This is known as the Great Basin Desert, and here is the Atacama Desert. So this is the desert around the world. There are many more desert areas, and desert area is a dry place where is almost no rainfall and there is a scarcity of water in it. So the largest desert is the Sahara one. Now these are the hot desert of the world. Let's go to the location of the Saudi Arabia. So as you can see, this is the Arabian Peninsula and here is the Saudi Arabia located. So Saudi Arabia is the part of Arabian Peninsula. So this is a peninsula, children. It is clear. See, one side water body, two side and three side. So let's move to the bigger map given in your book only. See. So this is the map of Saudi Arabia, and here the one water body, the second one and the third one. So this is the Arabian Peninsula and it is the biggest peninsula in the world. So here is the Red Sea, here the Gulf, Persian Gulf, okay, and downside here is the Arabian Sea, Gulf of Aden we can also call, but this is the part of Arabian Sea. So Red Sea, Persian Gulf and Gulf of Aden or Arabian Sea, you can write anyone. So three water bodies surrounding the Saudi Arabia. This is the Saudi Arabia. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia, children? It's Riyadh. And the Saudi Arabia covers almost 80% of the Arabian Peninsula. This is the whole Arabian Peninsula. You can see one more map I have. See, this is the map of Saudi Arabia and this is Arabian Peninsula. Okay, and this is Saudi Arabia. So 80% of the Arabian Peninsula is on Saudi Arabia, and it is surrounded from the west from Red Sea, from east to the Persian Gulf, and to the south they have Arabian Sea, and its capital is Riyadh. It has neighboring countries also, like India have. This is Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait. See in this map, this is more good. Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE. Dubai is located in UAE. Have you ever heard the name of Dubai? Oman, Yemen. Okay, so these are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia: Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE, United Arab Emirates. What is the full form of UAE? United Arab Emirates, Oman and Yemen. And there is one small one which is Bahrain. See, you can see this is Bahrain. So these the small one, the island type na, this is Bahrain. This is also a country. So if talk about, this is Jordan, Iraq, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, this island, and then Qatar, UAE, Oman and Yemen. They all are the neighboring countries of Saudi Arabia. So this is all about the location of the Saudi Arabia. Let's move to the next topic. So if we talk about the topography of Saudi Arabia, so the Saudi Arabia is covered with the rocky plateaus. I told you what is a plateau is. Okay, plateau is an area of flat land which is higher than its surrounding. So it is covered with the plateaus. Okay, so there are so many plateaus over here. In your map it's not clear, you can see clearly in this map. The brown color area are the higher plateaus, and as you can see the color is becoming lighter. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे brown है, this is the plateau region, the whole region. But these are higher plateaus, these are lower plateaus. High, low and flat land. If in a map the plateau region is located by this color, the brown one color, and the flat land is located with the green color. So you can see this is like a slide. It is the higher part and it is the lower part. Understand? So here it is from the above height and here it is from the lower height. So it is like a slide. Okay, so here it is the higher plateaus and here is the flat land. And there is also a narrow coastline. Narrow means small or short coastline. Narrow means thick, thin. So see, here is the coastline and here is the coastline. This is enough. That is only the coastline of Saudi Arabia. But it is very important because they fill oil from this from here and transfer the ship to other countries. And the other part is the whole Saudi Arabia is covered with loose thick layer of sand which covers the entire country. So whenever you talk about the Saudi Arabia, it is almost covered with the sandy area. So loose thick layer of sand cover the entire country. Hills of sand are called sand dunes. So see, this is the sand dune, hills of sand made by wind. Okay, when wind start blowing, the sand get collected as a hill. We have learned about this in class 4 as well, children. What about the sand dunes? As you are living in Rajasthan, you have seen sand dunes also if you go to the desert area. It is the hill of sand. Okay, and one more thing, there is no river there. So Saudi Arabia is the country which have no river. It is the biggest country which do not have any river. Okay, children, so no river flows there. So there is not even a single river flowing in Saudi Arabia. This is all about the topography of this. And okay, I forgot about this one thing. So children, you might have wondered then when there is no river, how the people of Saudi Arabia getting water? So they get water from oasis or oases, we call it in plural. So this is an oasis, some place on desert. Underground water comes to the surface. These places are called oases. So what is an oasis? A place where water is available in desert area. Okay, this is called an oasis. So there is a small picture here, you can see. So this is an oasis. There is some plants also grown over here. I'll send you some pictures of oasis with this video. Okay, so an oasis is a place where water is available on desert area. It is like a pond. Okay, it is a pond in a desert, you can say. Okay, so here the people of Saudi Arabia are getting water, and some plants like date palms also growing here. Date palms is khajur, and in Saudi Arabia date palms are very popular food. So the climate of the Saudi Arabia is extremely heat and arid. Okay, what is the meaning of heat and aridity? You all know the meaning of heat, and the aridity means that less water present there is less growth of plants. Okay, no rainfall. So this is the meaning of aridity, matlab banjar. Okay, so there is no rainfall, no water available, and no plants grow there. Very less plant, very arid place means banjar. Okay, so extremely heat and aridity. Or even in the summers, the temperature is 54 degrees Celsius. 54 is very hot, and there is almost no rainfall. So if we talk about the climates, so in summers it is scorchy hot. Scorchy means burning hot, and nights are a little cooler. Winters, they are pleasant, but nights are bitterly cold, very cold, because of the sand in this area. The property of sand is that the sand is cools quickly and heats up quickly. Okay, so there is almost Saudi Arabia is covered with completely sand. So what is the quality of sand? It heats quickly and it cools down quickly. जल्दी से बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म भी हो जाती है, बहुत ठंडी भी हो जाती है. So that's why there is so hot over here. So when the sun rays fall on the sand, the temperature increases and it becomes more hot, and there is almost no rainfall there. And Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of it. So you know, students, what is Tropic of Cancer? We have learned this. If you see this is over here. This is the line, dotted line shows you the Tropic of Cancer, which is passing through the middle of the Saudi Arabia. But still there is some places which have rainfall, that is Aries. Aries receives rainfall, and Abha is a hill station. Hill station is a place which is cool. If it is a hill station, that means its place is cool. So these two places are important because this Aries receives rainfall and this place is cool in desert. Okay, so this is very important. So this is all about today. Read the chapter up to here, and any doubt you can ask. From now afterwards we will continue. Okay, and this is the picture of oasis in your book. So from this place the people getting water for their livelihood. So bye bye, take care.